Okay, so this is what the tablets look like. They did recommend eye protection and hand protection, so I did put on some gloves. I really feel like my eyes are okay. Since I'm going to be doing this for the first time, I am going to use two of the tablets. That's exactly what they recommended if it's been a really long time or if it is your first time using it. So I'm just going to open it up and show you what they look like. Super easy to open. That's nice. And then here is what they look like. So they're relatively small and going to be pretty easy to put in the drain. They do also recommend running the garbage disposal first just to make sure there's nothing in there. So I did already do that. And then they also recommend doing a hot steam of water for a full minute. So I'm going to do that as well. Okay, so now we're going to turn this down to literally just a trickle. They said less than a pencil. So I'm going to have mine like that. And then they do also recommend moving it into the other sink if you do have two sinks, since I do. So I'm going to move that over there. And then here we have the tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and then just pop it down here. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. So there is the second one. And so now I'm going to run the actual disposal here for 1 minute. They did say that you might see some foam rise. I don't see any rising, but we'll see. And I do still have the other water over here trickling, by the way. And that's it. I can smell a little bit of the citrus. It's not super strong, honestly. I can still see some of the stuff crushed up down there, but obviously I know that the more I rinse it out, then it won't be an issue. But yeah, that is how you use it. Super simple.